How to copy LinkedIn profile link. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your LinkedIn application. Now, tap on your profile icon from your top left corner. Go to settings. After that, go to account preferences. Here, see if you can find your profile information. Go to name, location, and then in order to share your profile, what you will have to do is tap on this three dot from your profile icon, then go to share profile via, and here you will get your profile URL link. So copy it to your clipboard and then share it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.